Framel. Welcome to my channel, that's Framel's Food Vlog. And of course, today gagawa po tayo ng no-bake banana cake. So it means no bake, hindi tayo mag-use ng oven ngayon. So gagawin natin is mag-steam tayo using our rice cooker. But of course, dito po yung mga ingredients sa harap natin. We have 5 pieces peeled banana. We have flour, all-purpose flour. We have 2 eggs, sugar. You can use brown sugar if you want to. And of course, baking soda or baking powder. So, yes, please do not forget to subscribe my channel. That's Framel's Food Vlog. Like, and of course, share. So, ito po yung ingredients at ito po yung procedure. Alright, so first what we're going to do, ilagay po muna natin yung bananas. So, i-mash muna natin para mas madali. Pero kung gusto nyo talagang maraming saging, yes, you can put more. Ganito lang yung pag-mash. Kuha lang kayo ng tinidor.
Yeah.
So maybe guys, baka maano nyo, nag-wonder kayo, everyday lang tayo nag-vlog kasi wala talaga po tayong ginagawa sa bahay. So enjoy lang, okay? While the quarantine days last. Until the quarantine days last. Alright, so ito na po yung kinalabasan ng mashed bananas natin. So after that, ilagay na po natin yung 1 cup of all-purpose flour. After that, a teaspoon of baking soda. Then, ilagay na po yung dalawang eggs. Sugar, that's 3/4 sugar. Yes, mother. So again, you can use hand mixer para i-mix na natin yung lahat ng ingredients. So there you go, na-mix na po lahat natin yung ingredients. So makikita nyo pag ganito yung texture, perfect na po ito. So meron tayong nanyaran dalawa, ito yung gagamitin natin. What we can do is lalagyan lang muna natin siya ng oil para hindi dumikit po yung mixture natin, okay? So you can use your hands sa gitna, then after that one sa gilid. Yung isa naman, put some oil sa gitna, then after that one, sa gilid. So once nalagyan na po natin siya, ilalagay na po natin siya sa lanyara natin, yung mixture po. So there you go. Generous amount lang kasi tutubo pa to. And the other one. Alright, so nalagay na po natin sa lanyera. What we're going to do is ilalagay na po natin siya sa rice cooker natin for steaming. And again, this is for 45 minutes to an hour kung gusto nyo talagang maluto siya. So, lagay na natin. There you go. And of course, ilalagay na po natin. Takpan na po natin siya. So again, that's 45 minutes. Check natin. Once maluluto na siya, lagyan nyo ng toothpick. Magbaan kayo ng toothpick. At pag wala na po siyang basa sa toothpick, that means luto na po siya. So again, we just have to wait for 45 minutes po. Alright, so there you go. After 45 minutes, naluto na po natin yung banana cake. So, kukunin na po natin siya from the rice cooker and ilalagay na po natin or papalawin muna natin siya. Okay? So, right. Okay, so ito na yung finished product natin. Let it cool muna like mga 5 to 10 minutes para i-slice na po natin yung banana cake. So, and I do hope you'll enjoy my recipe today. If you have some comments also, you can do it or put it down below. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel. That's from Elswood Vlog. Please do like and of course, share. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you. Of course, I would like to shout out Ceci Jera for thank you for subscribing, and of course Jojowa, the ever sexy, beautiful friend of mine, and of course the birthday girl for today, that would be Zaldi Angkatuan. Happy birthday!